Welcome back to my channel Anak Medan di Spanyol. Hi guys. Now we are going to unboxing a device, one device for people who like very much drawing, for people who like very much drawing without paper, who love the go green, because you don't need to making many trash paper. This device for people who like very much painting, but with device digital. Okay, I have here Wacom Intous. Yay! Wacom Intous. Yeah. This is Wacom Intous. There's three size of Wacom, and this is the medium with Bluetooth. Yes, or medium with Bluetooth. This device, the price around 200 euros. 200 euros, because this medium size. This, you can see inside there is three bonus software, and also there is a pen for drawing here directly. This device also you can use for fanatic of photographic, and you can also for who adore with art, because they want to painting with their own art skill, but they want to enjoy with device, right? This this pen, here you can see the very calibrate, very good is 4K pen, and they don't need battery, free battery. And you know what guys, this from Japan. I thought it's from France, because here you can see English creative pen tablet for digital drawing, photo editing, comic and manga artwork. And the above they with France language, parle-pans, but I was fault because it's not France, it's Japanese. Okay, we are going directly to open this. Ta-da! Wow, this is medium size. Yeah, this is medium size. The color is black. Now we open. Okay, it's like this. Well, it's made in China. If you see from here, it's made in China, but the company is from Japan. Okay, Wacom Intous. Okay. Only this, like this. Maybe for people who don't know Wacom, who don't know Wacom is tablet. This is tablet. This digital is like you can use this like paper, but you cannot see, but you can see in the screen you want to connect. You can connect to your tablet, you can connect to your computer, you can connect to your laptop, or etc. Everything you can connect. And here here. This they have pen. Okay, the pen. Oh, it's very hard to open. This one is very hard. Okay, this pen for information, you guys. This pen also you can use like a mouse here. This one, this you can see. Okay, I open it. Okay, I open it. Oh, it's very difficult. I'm so sorry. I mix between English and French and Spanish. Okay. 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 The pen like this, and the sensibility of pen is enough. Not enough. It's very good. 4K. It's very good, right? Now you can see, guys. They have two buttons. This button you can they have function same like mouse for, and then you can move the pen if you are you don't want to use the mouse for more fast work like this. Okay, you can also have choice here. Maybe later I will show you the when I connect to computer better, right? This one, this is for you can see this blue is for Bluetooth. You can also connect with cable and also with Bluetooth. You can connect with Bluetooth or cable. This they have 5 buttons. This I cannot explain because this one you need to see in the screen. I will show you later the function of this button. Okay, so only this, the only like board like board normal is like tablet. This they have he have 4 or 5 button of this one for switch on or switch off, and this you can connect to Bluetooth. This one I don't know who this one or this one is. You can choose directly from Windows. Okay, if you have Windows. Of course they have indication book. Okay guys, I think that better we try in computer, because with mobile phone it's very a bit difficult because confused, because from mobile you can directly the painting with the drawing with your hand. So I will try use this in computer. Let's check it out. Stay tuned. I like more use USB than with the Bluetooth to connect with computer. It's more safe for me, and I will use this. Okay, I already connected the tablet. The good point of this tablet, guys, it's you can this tablet guys, you can touch your hand without need the hand glove because they can recognize its hand or this pen guys. So I like it very much. But for me, use this pen like most, for me it's very difficult. I don't like for this one, because difficult. You have to very close to the tablet and move. If not, the tablet cannot read, and you can see he didn't connect. But if you close a bit, and you can move. But if you see, if I close the tablet with pen, see you can move. But if I bit longer, large or far the pen from the tablet, they cannot read. So I don't like, and I prepare to use mouse. Now we are going to drawing, but I don't have a skill for drawing, so I will try to letter or sentence, like for example, hello. Well, the problem is you have to look the screen, not the tablet. But I'm used to when I'm when I'm write something, I'm look for the book. So it, for me it's very difficult. For me it's very difficult, guys. So you have to training a lot to try to like this product. Okay guys, I already show you the function, the typical of this tablet, the function. Now let's make conclusion and the valoration for this tablet. If we make a rate from 1 to 10, I will say 7, because maybe I have to train a lot to use this, because I'm not usually use this. This more easily with paper and with pens, but the consequence is we have to trust many paper. But another things that I like it is pen exactly feel like you have body, you have pen. It's like pen, real pen. I like it very much. It's like real pen. Like you see that I can write easily. It's very sensitive. The sense are very sensitive, and I like it very much. The function of the like most this I don't like very much, because it's difficult because you have to very close this. If you are more far, they cannot reach, the sensor cannot reach, so you have to very close and write this one, but the for right, this very good. Okay guys, I think it's until here. Many thank you for watching me, and hope you enjoy guys. See you next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Your hands up high, everybody put your hands